Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Zen. First, carefully unbox your new Zen device and connect it to a reliable power source. You'll then follow the simple on-screen instructions to select your preferred language and connect to your Wi-Fi network. Don't forget to download the essential companion application to your smartphone or tablet. Finally, register your device through the app to unlock all its powerful features and begin your journey. Navigating your Zen device is intuitive and straightforward. The main dashboard provides quick access to your most important functions and information at a glance. You can easily swipe left or right on the screen to explore various feature categories, from productivity tools to entertainment options. For precise control, utilize the physical buttons located on the device, allowing for quick menu navigation and selections. Remember, you can always customize your home screen layout for a truly personalized experience. To truly master your Zen, delve into its advanced customization options. You can fine-tune performance parameters within the settings menu, optimizing for speed or battery life. Create custom profiles for different activities like work or relaxation, switching between them with ease. Expand your device's capabilities by integrating with a wide array of third-party applications. For ultimate convenience, leverage the powerful voice command features, enabling completely hands-free operation. Keeping your Zen device in top condition ensures its longevity and optimal performance. Make sure to regularly update its software to benefit from the latest features and security enhancements. Gently clean the screen and exterior with a soft, dry cloth, avoiding harsh chemicals. It's also wise to perform periodic data backups to secure all your important information. Finally, always store your device in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.